In introduction, industrial robotic arm, also known as industrial robot, are programmable machines used in the manufacturing and other industry to perform tasks such as welding, painting, assembly, and material handling. They consist of series of articulated joints that allow for movement in multiple directions and are controlled by computer program or operator. They are designed to work in a variety of environments that can be customized to suit the specific needs of a given industry or application. Degree of freedom (DOF) in industrial robot is a term of use to describe the number of independent movement or access that a robot arm or manipulator can control. Each joint in a robot arm typically corresponds to one degree of freedom. The specific application and design of the robot also play a role in determining the number of degrees of freedom. The report will be focused on the simulation of 5 degree of freedom of industrial robotic arm in manufacturing industry, specifically for pick and place robots and painting robots. In literature review, we will talk about pick and place robots. Pick and place robots are widely used in the manufacturing industry to automate repetitive tasks and increase efficiency. These robots are designed to move and manipulate small parts and place them in a specific location. One of the main advantages of using pick and place robots is the ability to increase productivity. They can work at a faster pace than human workers can work continuously without breaks, reducing downtime and increasing output. Pick and place robots also perform tasks with a high degree of accuracy, which reduce error effect in the final product, resulting in a cost saving and increased efficiency. They can work in environments that may be hazardous or uncomfortable for human workers, such as extreme temperature and poor lighting. The use of pick and place robots play a crucial role in reducing costs and increasing efficiency, allowing companies to stay competitive in the global market. They also help to improve the quality of the product and give companies a competitive edge. The use of pick and place robots has a positive effect on the workforce by reducing the needs for human workers to perform repetitive tasks and increasing job satisfaction. They can also be used in trained human workers and lead to a more skilled and motivated workforce. Lastly, pick and place robots are commonly used in various industries including electronics, food processing, and packaging. In methodology, in this project, we'll be using the VREP software. VREP software is a virtual robot experimentation platform. It's a powerful and versatile software for simulating robots and other mechanical systems. It is designed for use in a wide range of applications, including robotic research, education, and industry. VREP allows users to create and simulate complex robot systems, including multiple robot sensor actuators, in a virtual environment. It offers a wide range of features and tools including physics engines, collision detection, and sensor simulation to create realistic and accurate simulation. VREP also allows users to program and control simulated robots using a various programming languages including C++, Python, and Lua.
For the result of this project, we have simulated 2 robot arms that have more than 5 degrees of freedom. For simulation 1, we have programmed a painting robot to paint an object like wall using 4 different colors of paint, which is red, black, white, and orange. This robot will cover almost 0.1 meter square of spraying area in one cycle of wood. There are 3 sources of code. For the result of this project, we have
For the result, simulation 2, as we can see, the simulation is about a robot who's programmed to pick and place an object. It is using a 6DOF industrial robot. The function is to separate the box by decide if object is good or bad. This can be decided by using proximity sensor to detect if it's good or bad based on the parameter setup. It was programmed by using pre-source of code, which is using proximity sensor coding, robot arm coding, and conveyor.
For the discussion of this project, we was discuss about the advantages and disadvantages and also some recommendation about a banded script method. A banded script is one of the method used to do the simulation of painting robot and pick and place robot. This is the easiest and most used programming approach. This method allows customizing a particular simulation scene, and to a certain extent the simulator itself. With this method, the code execution speed is relatively fast compared to other methods, and there is no lagging in the communication of this method. It is recommended to study and understand the Lua or Python language first before start to write the coding script in VRAP. User also must make sure their device has enough space to download the software.
As a conclusion, the key benefit of using industrial robotic arm include precision, accuracy, and the ability to perform tasks consistently. Challenge of using industrial robot arms include initial cost, specialized programming and maintenance, and a learning curve for operators and employees. Advancements in technology have made robot arms more accessible for small and medium-sized business. Despite challenge, the future of industrial robotic arms is bright with potential to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase productivity in various industries. Business should weigh the cost and the benefit before implementing them, but overall, it's a great investment.